This essay is it is about my writing, my drive to write essays and articles. I've done that for 30 years for my webpage. And, you know, any article that I write is, from my standpoint, my Weltanschauung, critically important. I write about politics, I write about teaching, I write about travel, I write about my family, my grandchildren. And while all those are not, essays are not Pulitzer Prize winning essays, there are times that I know in my heart that I said what I really honestly believe. And this is such an article. And what I'd like you to do as you're listening to this video and watching it, I want you to look into my eyes. And whether you agree or disagree with me about this essay, you know, tell me that I'm lying to you. Tell me that I'm BSing you. This essay is about traveling from America to Mexico to Burma and then back to the United States. And what's interesting to me, and what's interesting to me about this essay and what I'm trying to communicate to my readers is that what I conclude at the end of this essay, I really believe. This essay is about what happened in Washington during the Civil War, and then down a number of decades, what happened in Mexico, and then more recently, what has happened in Burma. But we've come back to America in this essay, and it is about what is happening in America. And having spent 74, almost 75 years living in America, what I'm about to write and say, or you're about to read and understand, is absolutely what I honestly believe. And it's critically important that you buy into that belief also. There's also one other thing I'm asking you to do. Take a few minutes to read the essay. And then at the end, look into somebody else's eyes. Thanks for the time. Comma. But believe what I'm telling you. Thank you.